everyone, it's Christina Barro from Prestige Properties and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're here and doing a full house tour of a very well-designed, spacious, and practical family home here in Solen Residences. So Solen Residences is located in the heart of Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. If you've been looking for a home that's senior-friendly, spacious, modern, and the perfect for growing family or even two families, this one will check a lot of boxes. Before I show you the house, let me quickly explain why people love living in Solen Residences. So of course, because of the accessibility. Solen is inside the Greenfield City and honestly, dito pa lang sold na karamihan of our clients. So why? Because everything is within reach. First, syempre hindi dito mawawala yung accessibility. So you're less than 5 minutes to Calax, SLEX Eton, and 10 minutes to SLEX, 40 to 55 minutes naman going to Alabang or Makati. Kung galing ka naman from Metro Manila or Alabang, sobrang gaan din lang ng biyahe because of the accessibility through SLEX. So of course, the second is the school. So marami tayong schools nearby. So Families Lab, the spot because nandito na rin yung ating De La Salle, Xavier, Miriam, and Brent International School. For parents, ang laking comfort knowing na hindi na malayo yung mga schools dito sa area. So syempre, yung iba ayaw na pumunta pa sa Metro Manila, and we have also the University of Santo Tomas. And from here at Solen Residences, napakalapit din lang natin to Paseo Outlets Mall, Solinad 1, 2, and 3. And syempre, hindi mawawala yung SNR, Landers. And in terms of emergency, we have the Medical City South. So, Greenfield City is known for wide roads, underground, and master planned open spaces. Para ka lang talagang nakatira sa city na tahimik, malinis, at maginhawa. So, here in Solen, iba-iba rin talaga yung priority ng mga bumibili na client once nag-inquire sila sa atin. So, now that you understand the location, let's start the tour and trust me, this house is loaded with features you don't usually get in the resale market. So, welcome to our new listing. So, for today's vlog, we have a 275 square meter lot and the total floor area is 450.77 square meter. And nakagandahan dito, this is 3 levels. We have the ground floor, second floor, and of course, the basement. You have a clean, modern facade, tinted windows, and solar power already installed. So, ang naka-install dito, alam nyo ba, this is a 24 panels and 13.2 kilowatts capacity. So, imagine na lang kung magkano na lang yung magiging bill nyo per month. So, maiisip nyo na lang, napaka-light na nung magiging electricity bill nyo. So, let's go inside! So, from main door pa lang, upgraded na yung ating smart lock. So, with fingerprint and facial recognition and RFID. So, pagpasok mo pa lang, the first thing you notice is the bright, open layout. So, makikita nyo rin, meron tayo dito mirror. Ayan, then, pag in-straight forward nyo lang, nandito naman yung ating living area. So, actually, ito yung magandang part dito kasi this is where your family gather every morning or every night or kung may visitors kayo. And aside from that, meron na rin tayo ditong customized TV rack and may TV na rin tayo dito. So, this is clean and modern and ready for your family gatherings. And nakagandahan pa dito, ito, open ito, sliding door siya that is also your access going naman to your garden or your lanay. So, this is a corner lot, kaya napakaganda nito, napaka-spacious ng ating bahay na to. And as you can see naman, ang build ng house na to is open area. And as per the seller, yung mga naka-installed or naka-fix na dito sa house na to is included na once you buy this property. And of course, meron lang talagang iba na gusto is walang gamit kasi yung iba pag nag-move in sila, meron na silang sariling gamit. Or di kaya naman kung gusto nyo, once na bibili nyo yung property na to all in na, so we can negotiate naman to the seller. And of course, from your living area, this is your dining area that can fit your 8 family members. So, ito siya. And ang kagandahan pa rin dito, after your dining area, it also connects to your kitchen area. So, syempre, maganda dito, napakalaki ng ating kitchen area. May huge center island with sink, with white German quartz, countertop, complete Hamdem appliances. So, ito, makikita nyo. Ito yung ating appliances with a stove, oven, microwave, induction, and range wood. So, beautiful acacia wood breakfast nook. So, this is our acacia wood breakfast nook that could or fits for 4 to 6 persons. So, kung may mga visitor kayo or from your cooking area, gusto nyo, nagkakwentuhan. So, this is also additional for this feature. And you're not done yet. Meron pa tayong dirty kitchen that perfect for your heavier cooking. So, syempre, madalas sa mga house na tinutour namin, aside from the kitchen area, meron pa din talaga tayo na dirty kitchen. Kasi dito talaga yung as in yung madali ang lutuan or gusto mo yung mga directly from the grocery, doon natin siya dinadala. So, of course, we have then the modular cabinets, Hamdem stoves, range hood, plus a pantry with acacia countertop and a laundry area with 2 sinks. So, very organized and very functional lahat ng nandito sa house and lot na to. So, imagine, for this house and lot, ang gagawin nyo na lang is magsaset tayo ng tripping and i-confirm nyo kung ano ba yung mga minention namin while doing this house tour. The ground floor has one senior-friendly bedroom with built-in cabinets, its own bathroom, grab bars, and emergency push button. So, syempre, pag may mga seniors tayong kasama or elderly, if ever may mga emergency, so meron na rin tayo dito, push button. And from your dirty kitchen, meron naman tayo dito, maid's room. So, if ever may mga kasama kayo sa house, hindi na sila mahihirapan kasi meron tayo dito, maid's room. So, perfect for families with elderly members or guests na mas gusto lang na nasa baba. So, outside, you have a landscape garden with a proud grass and surprisingly big koi pond. So, dun sa area na yun, meron tayo dong koi pond or fish pond, a calming touch you don't see in the most home. Moving upstairs are the Tanggili wood. So, ito siya, Tanggili wood and solid and elegant. So, makikita nyo rin, imagine nyo going your rooms upstairs. So, napakaganda ng mga lightnings din natin dito. On the second floor is the spacious family hall, book cabinet, altar area, linen cabinet, and extra lunch space. It feels like your own hangout area away from the main living room. Now, the master bedroom. So, we have the walk-in closet with the glass panels, LED lighting, bathroom with 2 sinks, and bathtub. So, we have then the separate office with French sliding door, wall-mounted lamp port, and the private balcony overlooking the garden. So, from your second floor, we have the access going to your balcony. And ang makanda pa doon sa balcony na yon, makikita nyo kung ano ba yung, kung may bisita kayo, or pwede kayong magmuni-muni or something na nag-overlooking on that area. So, this is a complete setup. Relax, work, sleep, all in one space. So, a very good layout for big families or families with multi-age members. So, napakaganda neto talaga kung tayo ay may mga elder na kasama. So, hindi na sila mahihirapan. Kasi most of the house din na pinipicture namin, hindi lahat talaga ay mayroong room sa baba. Kasi minsan nung pinagawa nila, hindi nila yun na sasuggest pa or naiisip. Kasi ang common sa kanila is lahat ng rooms naman nasa taas. So, napakita na natin yung ating living area, dining area, and kitchen area. And syempre, na-mention ko rin, we have the dirty kitchen. And of course, hindi na lang tayo umakyat sa taas, which is, dinisplay ko na rin lang kung ano ba yung mga rooms na meron tayo sa taas. So, actually, overall, meron tayo dito 6 bedrooms. And of course, hindi mawawala yung part dito sa house tour na to. Ang kagandahan dito na, syempre, hindi lahat ng pinifeatures din namin dito sa Solen Residences ay merong basement. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. So, right now, nandito tayo na ngayon sa basement. And this part makes the house feel even bigger. The basement is large, multi-purpose entertainment area. So, makikita nyo, meron na rin tayo ditong projector that can also use as the entertainment or theater area. So, yan, pwede tayo dito magkaroon ng home theater or hahatiin siya. But, for this basement, open area siya. So, makikita nyo, this is convertible to home theater, and we have the gym, gaming area, billboards, kids playroom. So, actually, meron tayo ditong room sa baba, which is can also use if you have a visitors or kids area. It's a flexible, and this space is massive. So, as mentioned, this property has 11 air cons, and ang branded neto is Daikin. And syempre, ang maganda pa rin dito, we have the 24 solar panels and 13.2 kilowatts with 2 inverters, imported porcelain tiles, anti-slip bathroom tiles, all windows tinted, plus screens, Korean blinds, tricolor lights. So makikita nyo rin yan pagka ginagamit nyo na yung ilaw, talaga namang tricolor na, which is yan yung mga in for this newly built na mga house and lot natin. And of course, meron na rin tayo LAN cable ports in the bedrooms, living room, and the basement area. And syempre, ang kagandahan pa rin dito, smart lock system na siya, built-in cabinets, in garage. So later, pakita ko sa inyo yung ating garage. So meron rin tayo ditong mga cabinets as mentioned here on our preview. So kanina galing tayo sa basement, and ngayon nandito tayo outside the property, and on this glass door, pag inopen natin to, this is your living area that also you have the access going to your lanay and dito sa may garden area. So as we mentioned, this property has a koi pond. So on this side, nandito yung ating koi pond, and mapapansin nyo rin, meron pa kayong mga green spaces in that area. Since this property is a corner lot, makikita nyo rin. So, ayan, ito yung pagtawid nyo lang or dito sa side na to naman, yan na yung ating daanan. So, this is the advantage din kapag once corner lot yung property nyo. So, yung iba kasi ayaw rin ng may mga katabi or ayaw ng masyadong nagsisiksikan. So, ito, one of the advantage din is corner lot yung property na to. And, ayan, ito rin dito sa side na to, naka-close lang siya kasi meron dito mga alaga si owner. And mention ko na rin, pag dinerecho nyo to on this side na to, you have your access naman going to your dirty kitchen. So if you have a grocery direct outside or nabili kayo sa mga SNR, Landers, pwede na rin kayong dumaan sa side ng property nyo para at least kung medyo messy or may yung mga basa kayong wet groceries, dito na agad yung diretso nyo sa area. This property is definitely worth viewing in person. So by the way, this property, we're offering this for only 37.5 million. So i-add ko na rin lang right now, nandito tayo sa garahe natin, sa car garage, and makikita nyo rin, ang maganda pa rin dito, meron tayo ditong mga cabinets pa, which is that can also add na mga storage area natin na ayaw natin na nasa loob ng ating bahay. So, syempre, dito yung may mga materials tayo na gusto nating ilagay in terms of mga car accessories or everything na medyo maliliit. So, nakita nyo naman, very customized din itong ating mga cabinet dito sa side na to. So, syempre, on this car parking, dito kasya yung ating dalawang sasakyan. And syempre, hindi ko rin lang na-mention kanina, this property is facing east. So, syempre, kapag facing east, ito yung madalas na hinahanap ng mga buyers natin. Unang-una, ito yung ating mga morning sun. So, ito yung mga kadalasang mas nauunang nauubos kapag under developer pa. Send me a message for a full details or to schedule a private tour. This is Christina Barro from Prestige Properties. Thanks for joining me today and see you on my next tour. Bye!